Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create 4 image or more, and I'm just fun character of an ice cream clone and slimming and dripping and cute teen girl her friends. So now generate 4 photo with 11 tokens. So now I'm waiting complete this. Keep watching my video. So guys, this is amazing. Before the 4 image only clone with smile and her friends, and now 2 photo with cute girl and 2 photo clone ice cream. So guys, I'm more use 4 image. So guys, wait for response. So guys, now more 4 image ready, and I have already 8 photo, and I'm create this short video on YouTube, upload YouTube. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel, and for more video set all notification. Goodbye.